In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a field in Zoho Forms. Whether you're streamlining a form, removing outdated information, or simply tidying up, deleting a field can be a straightforward yet crucial task. Let's dive right in and go through the steps needed to effectively delete a field from your form. First things first, you'll need to access the form builder. Start by navigating over to your Zoho Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Locate the form you want to modify and open it. This action takes you straight into the form builder in Design View, which is where you can make all your changes. Once you're in the form builder, it's time to select the field you want to delete. On the design interface, move your cursor over the specific field. As you hover over or click on it, you'll notice a few options will appear around the field. This makes it easy to identify and target the right component you intend to remove. Now that you've identified the right field, let's focus on deleting it. Keep an eye out for the delete icon. This is usually represented by a trash can or bin symbol, and it can sometimes be labeled as delete. Clicking this icon initiates the deletion process. However, before you go ahead and remove the field, it's crucial to consider any data that might be linked to it. If the field contains any existing data, or if it's being utilized in other parts of your system, like workflows, reports, or conditional logic features, Zoho Forms will likely alert you. Upon receiving such a prompt, you'll need to carefully review all these references and disconnect or remove them. This step ensures that other functionalities related to the form are not disrupted once the field is deleted. If, on the other hand, the field is neither associated with any data nor used elsewhere, the system will simply confirm your intention to delete. At this stage, a simple prompt will appear, asking you to click Yes or Proceed to finalize the deletion. Once you confirm, the field will be permanently removed from the form. This not only simplifies the form itself, but can also enhance the experience for end users by cutting down on unnecessary clutter or confusion. However, it's always a good practice to double-check that no critical data or functionalities were mishandled during this process. Congratulations! You've successfully deleted a field from your Zoho form. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your Zoho forms more effectively. If you have any further questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to reach out.